The first part of this video will show the steps in preparing a fog light assembly for LED bulbs I am using. Here U-bolts have been installed. The assemblies need to be taken apart to remove the protective tape and install the LED bulbs such that they are secured. Unfortunately, these bulbs cannot be installed how they were originally intended since the orientation of these LED bulbs are 90 degrees off. If installed this way, very little light would be coming out of the fog lights. Some LED bulbs have provisions to allow the bulbs to be rotated 90 degrees, but these do not. One can see here that the LED bulb is not secured since one of the tabs is not captured. A zip tie is being used to secure the bulb to the housing. Now we're putting the fog light assembly back together so we can power it on to see the results. Here we are connecting up the fog lights to a 12-volt power supply with a fog light wiring harness. Let there be light. Rotating one of the fog lights to the wall so we can see the beam pattern. The second part of the video will explain why things are done this way. A halogen bulb produces light out of a filament in all directions. An LED bulb usually produces light out of two 180-degree flat surfaces. Because the light is coming out of a flat surface, these flat surfaces need to be optimized to the maximum reflector area. This shows the orientation of the LED bulb in relation to the original halogen bulb. Here we see the effects on light output when the LED bulb is installed 90 degrees off. Very little light is coming out of it. On a side note, the 9045 bulb that is supposed to be used in this fog light is not popular in LED form. Vendors call out a 9145 to be a substitute, but the lower two base tabs are mirrored.